Hi folks, I was thinking, what if I tell you what we do the same way I tell my kids stories every night? Imagine a world where retailers, telephone companies, cable companies, any business have freedom to issue their own credit cards so they do not depend on Visa and MasterCard. Imagine a world where customers have freedom to have as many credit cards as they want without carrying that bulky wallet. Imagine a world where merchants have freedom to advertise right at the time of the purchase. Well, stop imagining. They all have freedom. Let me show you how it works. Hey, Arthur, what's up?
Oh, hi, Cicero. You know, I ran out of money, so I decided to create my own sunglass store.
Cool, and I see that you take mobile payment. How does that work?
Oh, very simple. I just bought the SIM card at my local carrier, which has a Freeddom POS application. Then I register my shop online.
Very easy, huh?
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, Enio. Arthur's selling sunglasses here in San Diego.
Cool, just what I needed for San Diego. But sorry, man, I didn't bring my wallet.
Oh, no problem. He takes mobile payment. I bet you have your phone with you.
Not only that, without any change to my phone, I just went online and got Oi Pago and Mob Shop, 2 mobile cards recently launched in Brazil.
Hey, Enio, are you buying those? I gotta make some money here.
How much are they?
They're $20.
Okay, I'll take them.
So just like any other credit card sale, the merchant starts the transaction. Let's check Arthur's cell phone here.
On my phone, I'll choose Venda, which means sell. Hey, Enio, what's your phone number?
21 8622 4240.
Okay, 2000, the transaction value. 1 installment purchase. Just confirm Enio's buying 20 reais in 1 installment. Then I hit OK to send the transaction.
The transaction is then encrypted at Arthur's SIM card and sent over the GSM network to Freedom's platform. Freeddom identifies Arthur's shop and sends the transaction back to Enio's cell phone to be PIN authorized. The great thing here is that Arthur knows that there's never a chargeback because all transactions are PIN authorized at the customer's cell phone. He also enjoys the fact that he can check all his sales balance and receivables right at his cell phone. Let's check Enio's cell phone to see what happens on the customer side.
I got a pop-up on my screen asking to confirm $20 at A Sunglass. I hit OK. Then I choose which private I take Oi Pago, which card. Then I get my password and hit OK to confirm.
Freeddom receives Enio's password and authorizes the transaction based on his credit limit. Note, the whole thing is SMS-based, so it works with any phone model at any carrier. Just like the merchant, Enio enjoys the fact that he can check all his purchases and credit information right at his cell phone. Back to the transaction, Arthur gets a confirmation with the authorization code. And, as you can see on the screen, Freeddom has the transaction authorized. A Sunglasses, 20 reais, along with all the merchants that are currently selling. So, back to the customer side, let's see what Enio got for confirmation.
I got a confirmation along with a promo coupon. Since I bought from A Sunglass, I get 10% off at belotion.com. Cool, a suntan will fit nice with my new sunglasses. Let's go to belotion.com.
At belotion.com, Enio has to choose that he's going to pay with his cell phone, and all he has to do is input his cell phone number. The website sends the information, the transaction, via web service to Freedom's platform that then sends to Enio to be PIN authorized. Note that he did not input any credit card number, any password, or any security code, and we still have a zero fraud transaction for websites since all transactions are PIN authorized at the customer's cell phone. At the end, the e-commerce gets a confirmation, and Enio gets a confirmation on his cell phone. So let's check back with Arthur. So Arthur, how's business going?
Oh, great. I'm selling so many sunglasses that I decided to call Freeddom and set up my own private label credit card. A sunglass card. I'll increase customers' loyalty and also increase sales with marketing campaigns and promotions based on their shopping behavior. Not to mention, I'll reduce transaction costs.
Cool, are you drawing your card too?
So back to the way I would tell stories to my kids. Imagine a world where new payment technology is implemented and merchants have freedom to start the transaction at their own POS solution with a little software modification, but no hardware modification. Imagine a world where merchants have freedom to sell via catalog and TV, where the customer sends an SMS with a product code and gets back a transaction to PIN authorize. Imagine a world where merchants and customers have freedom to be anywhere. Just a second. Sorry. Son, I'm at demo. Can't talk right now. What do you need? You're at the mall in São Paulo? You want me to pay for your movie ticket? Okay, listen, I'm almost done here, and I'll be at the pavilion station number 29, but there will be a lot of people asking me questions. So do this. Have the guy at the box office in 2 minutes send me the transaction, and I'll authorize it from here. Okay, love you too. Bye. Kids, sorry. Thank you.